Hi guys, my name is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this apple. Please enjoy it. Thank you. First, draw a shape like this. Freehand it like this. And on another paper, let's draw a leaf. Like this. Draw a stem. Cut. So you have your pieces like this one, and this one. Let's transfer this one onto the fabric. Put these ones aside for the meantime. You need 4 of these. All you need to do is just pin it here like this. I'm cutting 2 at a time. I have put the fabric on fold. And you cut. When you're cutting, don't lift your fabric like this. Put your hand like this and then cut. Like this. So that the fabric doesn't move. Okay, so now you have your fabric cut in pieces. All you have to do is to remove the pins carefully. So now you have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now we are going to put our fabric right sides facing like this. And sew this part right sides facing. Sew this part. Okay, so I went ahead and sew here. As you can see, it's sewn. So now put this aside. Take this, transfer it to the felt fabric. Cut. Put this aside. Let's make the stem. Put the fabric on fold. Like this, and cut. Like this. Remove the pattern and put the pins again. Go ahead and sew here, 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 and here. Do not sew here. Turn this inside out. Okay, it's done. Okay, fold here. Like this. And sew. To secure the thread, you need to do this 1, 2, 3, and then pull. It won't come out. You can do this 2 or 3 times if you want. And then cut the thread. You're done. Here's our stem. This is the main piece. This is the leaf. And this is the stem. Okay, let's assemble this. So take one of these and turn it like this. And this one, leave it like this. Open. Put this one inside like that, and here is our stem. Okay, so here make sure it's secure. Cut. And here open here and put this one here, inside like that. Okay, like that. Okay, pin here. Okay, so sew here and leave a space here. Do not sew here, right round. Okay, so I sew here. This is how it looks, like this. Right, so go ahead and turn this inside out here, like this. So now you need to stuff this. You can get this in dollar stores, so you need to put here. So it's stuffed now. All you need to do is close up here. It's done. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.